it's really exciting to be doing these significant events in really small towns. I've been engaged with quite a number of communities. What I think we could achieve long term is setting up communities to be organised amongst themselves, as well as the emergency services, knowing about these places and knowing a couple of people here, so it's easy and we can collaborate.
And one of the things that needs to be done here is that we haven't got a decent evacuation centre, which became very apparent in 2019. Yeah, we're hoping to improve that in the long term.
I wanted to be part of us putting together a community survival plan. I'm also interested in filling out my own personal plan, which we haven't done yet. To have a plan on multiple levels and them all speaking to each other works pretty well.
We came along to find out some more information because we went through the 2019 bushfire.
And everyone was just so nice and
yeah, and open about their experiences, and it was good to hear that people had similar experiences.
I think it's important to say that there are very few organisations that really get that disaster preparedness has got to start ground up.
Tonight was a night to bring the community together and forewarn them about the hazards that they can face in fires and floods.
I've been speaking a couple of times tonight with Rick, and he was one of the affected landowners who was really impacted by the day here when the rubber dump fire impacted on Mount George, and he expressed to me that he feels a lot better, and I do too, to be honest with you. So I got the closure that I needed out of tonight.
I was really looking to try and come to something where I'd meet other local community members and just really find out about what to do in the event of an emergency, especially when you're new to town, work out what you can contribute as well as how you can all work together.
My parents lost their home in the bushfires in 2019-2020, and it's sort of been our experience thereafter in terms of that lack of cohesion, lack of preparedness, agencies not working well together, individuals not knowing where to go. That I see Heidi's role being able to facilitate a more coherent approach.
The project that we're working on in Beryl Creek is called Strengthen Our Community, and it was in response to the fires in 2019-20 to make sure that our community is empowered to take responsibility for its own self. So meeting Heidi with her emergency planning for smaller communities and the work that the local land services are doing around that has actually given definition to our project. And it's been really integral. It's a really important part of that because everybody's doing slightly different things, but they will work well together. And Heidi's been that kind of connecting glue for all of us.
It's an exciting time to be doing this work because there's a lot of agencies interested and a lot of communities interested, and really enjoying bringing that work together and connecting people up with each other.